Hi, my name is Martin and I'm the founder of Grubby. Grubby provides all the plant-based ingredients you need, pre-portioned to make delicious plant-based meals at home. To be included in the Startups 100 list was brilliant for us as a team. It's an amazing list to be a part of, some great businesses across various different industries. It's a list that a lot of businesses track, and that meant that people got in touch with us on the back of it. Yeah, it's been great exposure for us as a brand. In the past year, since being featured on the Startups 100 list, there's been loads going on in the business. We've grown around 25% this year. What it's allowed us to do is expand our recipe choice. We're a subscription service, but ultimately we want customers to be able to dip in, dip out, and enjoy everything that Grubby's got to offer. We're really excited for 2024. We're going to be expanding our recipe range even further, looking to develop around 150 new recipes. We've got some exciting other products that are in development at the moment, in new product development outside of just recipe kits. Other businesses should apply to Startups 100 because, as I said previously, it's great exposure for your brand and it's an accessible list. You know, the application process is there for anybody to look at. It's not something that is elitist in any way, and it's open to all. So I'd say that people should just give it a shot.